Used EV Test Drive Guide, What to Check Before You Buy, Battery, Range, and Performance. So you found a used EV that looks perfect, clean exterior, low mileage, a price that feels almost too good to be true. But before you plug it in at home or hand over the money, there's one step you can't skip: the test drive. A test drive in an electric vehicle isn't just about comfort or acceleration. It's the moment where you discover how healthy the battery is, how the electronics behave, and whether this car will actually deliver the range and reliability you expect. In this video, we'll go through a detailed, step-by-step checklist that'll help you spot hidden issues before you buy. Whether it's a Tesla Model 3, a Hyundai Ioniq 5, a Nissan Leaf, a Ford Mach-E, or any other EV, these points apply across the board. Why the test drive matters. Unlike gas cars, electric vehicles don't have gears, belts, or exhaust systems. That's great for maintenance, but it also means fewer clues about what's wrong. The battery pack can make up half the car's total value, so one bad test drive could cost you thousands later. Think of this drive as your real-world health check for the battery, the software, and even the previous owner's charging habits. Step 1. Before you drive. Before pressing start, spend a few quiet minutes observing. Ask the seller to leave the charge around 60 to 70%. That range gives the most realistic data about current capacity. Check the dash display. Does the estimated range seem low compared to when the car was new? A 250-mile model showing only 200 miles at similar charge might signal noticeable degradation. While sitting inside, try every button, every touchscreen menu, every air vent. Many electric vehicles route climate control and seat heaters through the central display. If that screen glitches, repairs aren't cheap. Next, inspect the charging port and cables. Look for dust, corrosion, bent pins, or loose covers. A damaged connector could mean poor maintenance or charging in harsh weather. And don't forget small details: door handles that don't pop out, fogged up headlights, or sticky window buttons. In electric vehicles, those little quirks can hint at moisture intrusion, something that's bad news for electronics. Step 2. Starting up an initial feel. Now press start. The system should come alive instantly, and like screens lighting up, silence all around. Any delay, beep, or warning icon deserves attention. Remember, electric vehicles are whisper quiet. If you hear whining from the motor bay, clicking from the axles, or rattling near the dash, that's not normal. Check that regenerative braking indicators appear on the display and that there are no software update reminders. If the car hasn't been updated in a long time, you might miss bug fixes or battery management improvements. Step 3. On the road. Performance and handling. Once you're rolling, get a feel for throttle response. EV torque should feel instant and smooth. No sudden jumps or hesitations. Try gentle acceleration first, then a firm press. Power should build evenly. Listen for vibrations under load. Sometimes worn motor mounts or half shafts create a faint hum that rises with speed. Now, lift your foot off the pedal. You should feel the car slow down smoothly as regenerative braking kicks in. If it feels too harsh, inconsistent, or accompanied by grinding noises, that system may need recalibration. Next, test the regular brakes. Electric vehicles blend region and friction braking, so a mushy or jerky pedal could indicate air in the system or worn pads. Don't forget steering feedback. Heavier EV can wear suspension bushings or tires unevenly. When driving straight, the wheel should stay centered with no vibration or pull. Step 4. Energy use and range. Keep an eye on the car's energy use display. Many electric vehicles show consumption in kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers or per mile. On level roads, efficiency should stay close to factory specs. If you're burning energy quickly at light throttle, it could mean the battery management system isn't calibrated or the pack has lost capacity. Ask the seller how they usually charge: overnight on level 2 or daily fast charging. Frequent DC fast charging ages batteries faster. A few sessions are fine, but hundreds can reduce longevity. If possible, check whether the car lets you view battery health or state of health percentage. Anything below 80% may justify negotiation or further inspection. Step 5. Tech and features checklist. Now let's check the features that make electric vehicles unique. Turn on adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and parking sensors. Do they respond quickly? Cameras clear? Faulty sensors may hide behind minor bumper repairs. Pair your phone with Bluetooth and test voice commands. Slow responses can mean outdated software or connectivity issues. If the car supports over-the-air updates, ask when the last update was applied. Some older electric vehicles lost that capability when the manufacturer discontinued support. If you can, plug into a level 2 charger, even for a few minutes, and verify normal charging speed. A warning message like "charging reduced" could indicate onboard charger trouble. Step 6. After the drive. When you park, leave the car on for a minute. Listen for the cooling fans. They should ramp up softly and then settle. Loud, erratic fans or coolant smells might signal thermal management problems. Check the tire tread and inside wear patterns. Uneven wear often means suspension misalignment from the extra battery weight. Finally, look through service records. Has the dealer done battery health checks? Were any recalls or software patches skipped? A consistent paper trail adds real confidence. Summary and practical advice. Let's recap the quick checklist you can screenshot. Compare displayed range to original spec. Inspect charge port and cables. Listen for odd motor noises. Test regen and brake smoothness. Watch energy use during the drive. Confirm tech features and charging speed. Review service and battery reports. Take your time. Don't rush a deal because someone else is coming to see it. The right EV is worth waiting for. A thorough test drive can save you from a costly mistake. With electric vehicles, knowledge really is power, literally. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment with the EV you're considering, and subscribe for more practical electric car tips. You'll also find links below to my other videos, including Top 10 Mistakes to Avoid When Buying a Used EV and How to Check Battery Health Before You Buy. Thanks for watching, and happy test driving.